Hey guys, I just wanted to make this very quickly. So a lot of you are telling me like how you're getting a lot of messages on Facebook or social media of some sort, and you're getting a bunch of men or women like hitting on you, and it's starting to make you like feel good. Trust me, do not fall for it. The devil knows our types. The devil knows what's going to get us to budge. Don't do it. Let me ask you something. Every relationship has a honeymoon stage, and then it leaves, and then you're stuck in that mess, and then when you make the wrong choice, you made the wrong choice. God did not send that person. I'm telling you right now, even if you're entertaining them thinking like, oh, I'm telling them I want to wait for my husband, God knows the intent of the heart. Please don't do it. Please don't delay your promise, because at the end of the day, you want your spouse. And that's exactly how I thought. There was one particular guy that I was very attracted to, that the devil sent my way, that I actually knew a long time. And I was so tempted to just give in and like give into the temptation. And God was so good, he stopped me. Now, he doesn't stop everybody, because sometimes like it's part of the plan, but don't do it. Don't do it. If I could go back, I wouldn't even have entertained it at all. But he stopped me right in my tracks. So please don't do it, because at the end of the day, you want your spouse. And this is so much bigger. It's so much bigger than, marriage restoration or your spouse getting, what's the word for it? Away with what you think they're getting away with, because they're not. So this whole thing is you standing in the gap for your spouse, breaking off the generational curses of the bloodline, and you and your spouse literally changing other people's lives and having a God-ordained marriage and working for the kingdom. There's so much to this. It's not just your marriage. This is so much bigger, and until you realize that, if you go move on, the work isn't going to get done. All right, I hope that helped, guys. I love you all. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Remember, you will get through this. The only way out is through. All right, God bless, guys. Bye.